Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of welding with exciting project Spheroid for beginners. Whether you are new in the art of welding or looking to expand your skills, these inspiring projects will ignite your creativity and build your confidence in all challenge. From functional piece to artistic creation, discovery is your key to unlocking the potential of welding. Our journey begins with a fantastic project that combines practically and aesthetic steel garden trails. With simple cuts and precise well, you will craft durable trails that support planting plants while adding elegance to your outdoor space. Learn to manipulate steel rod, create paint lines, and explore the basic of MIT welding. By the end of this project, you will have a stunning pieces that transform any garden into botanical masterpieces. Next, an experience of our artistic side through a tabletop sculpture. Unless your imagination by welding together various nature pieces to craft a unique and eye-catching design. Drive the wardrobe of the styling wardrobe achieve intricate shape and form from geometric abstraction to organic. This project empower you to express your creativity with molten metal as your medium. Let us dive into the functional yet stylish intro. Crafting a custom key holder. Discover the versatility of TIG welding as you assemble your probe and paint. Organize your key and elegant manner. Divide your finishes in controlling the welding torch, ensuring precise bead placement and minimal distortion. The project is not only enhance your welding skill but also add to job personalization, job living space. Our final project combined from the function with a pair of welded book and it hone our skill in welding as a fashion study sport that keep our books organized and showcase your craftsmanship. This project emphasizes creation is memorizing, cutting and elegant masterpieces. Ensure your book can withstand test of time while assembling your bookshelf with the artistic touch. You have embarked on an incredible journey through this beginner's friendly welding project. From a garden trail to captivating wall art, each creation has expanded your skill to unleash your creativity. Remember, practice make perfect. So do not hesitate to visit this project or experiment with new idea. As you continue welding Introvert, you will find possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for more welding wonder and keep pushing the boundaries of your welding experience.